We started our short hike at the Donner Memorial State Park Visitor Center, which is really a must see in case you're already familiar or want to know more about the ill fated journey of the Donner Party. The hike was very short, in part because we hiked mostly in a mix of snow and rain, which was perfect because we needed a recovery day from our cross country skiing adventure. The out and back hike was 2.8 kilometers, or less than 2 miles long, with minimal altitude gain or loss. Even in winter, the trail was easy to find and was very well marked. Most of the other people went to the visitor center, and we had Donner Lake almost for our own.